This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sennheiser Bluetooth devices. First, make sure your Sennheiser headphones or earbuds are fully charged. Next, put your Sennheiser device into pairing mode, usually by pressing and holding a button for a few seconds until an LED flashes. Then, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or computer to prepare for connection. Once your Sennheiser device is in pairing mode, your source device will scan for nearby Bluetooth signals. You should see your Sennheiser product's name appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap or click on its name to select it. If prompted, confirm the pairing request or enter a passcode, which is often 4 zeros, to complete the connection. If you encounter issues, try a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, power cycle both your Sennheiser device and the audio source. Next, forget or remove any old Bluetooth connections from your device's memory to prevent conflicts. Also, ensure you are within a range of about 10 meters or 33 feet from your audio source for optimal signal. After initial pairing, your Sennheiser device will typically reconnect automatically to the last used source when both are powered on. For enhanced control and customization, download the Sennheiser Smart Control app. This application allows you to adjust sound settings, manage connections, and update firmware. You can also pair your Sennheiser device with multiple sources by repeating the initial pairing process for each new device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.